A delightful one-bedroom house which used a mixture of interlocking bricks and concrete blocks for its construction, hence making it cost-effective yet durable. The building has an area of 102.4 square meters with a construction budget of roughly $30,720. The building is positioned rightly on a land of size 18 by 18 meters with an area of 342 square meters. The ground floor plan has been beautifully laid out with its dimensions as follows: a front terrace which leads us directly into the living and dining room. A beautiful kitchen that suits its purpose. A bedroom which is a suite and an extra washroom to be used comfortably by a visitor. A carport is roofed beautifully. Walkthrough. The living and dining. The living area supports many activities, including conversation, reading, and viewing television, whereas the dining area is the space reserved for eating. Walkthrough. Kitchen. The kitchen is arranged with a functional layout ensuring a harmonious space management. Walkthrough. Bedroom. The bedroom is our place for contemplation, relaxation, a sanctuary of quiet and stillness. A room where we embrace the true colors of our personality behind closed doors. Thanks so much for watching and supporting this channel. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.